How to log in to Hotmail account. So if you want to log into your Hotmail account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Hotmail. And after searching for Hotmail login, here you can simply go for the first search. And now you can simply go for sign in, which is here. And here you need to enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype. So I'll be entering my email address. And after that, click on next. And here you need to enter your password. And if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Click on that and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember, then simply enter and click on sign in. Click on yes. And that's it. That's how you log into your Outlook, or that's how you log into your Hotmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.